Yo, man, what's good? It's your boy 33. You could have been rocking with them, but you came to rock with me, and I appreciate y'all. Hey, I know y'all heard that coming through. Uh huh. I'm mic'd in, baby. We only going up, man. Y'all know I be rocking, but not for real though. It's my birthday tomorrow. So really, man, this shit been a crazy year for me, man. So I really want to thank y'all, bro. Let's go ahead and finish out strong, man. I'm gonna keep these reactions coming, man. We going 30 days. How many months? How many days in November? 30? Let's go ahead and lock in on this video, man.
We're going to begin with some disturbing new video in the murders of a man and his son after a fight over noise turned deadly in Brooklyn.
Yeah, police tonight are looking for a neighbor seen on that video firing the deadly shots. Eyewitness News reporter Crystal Cranmore is live in East Flatbush with our lead story tonight. Crystal.
Listen, Bill, police have identified the suspect as 47-year-old Jason Pass. As police continue to look for him, this community is on edge tonight, demanding additional resources to...
Damn, he's still on the loose? Oh, boy, he must have blew blame and got loose on him. God
fight the violence. Now, we know police were able to identify Pass thanks to surveillance video, too graphic to show in its entirety. 48 hours after surveillance video obtained by...
Look, old dude big as hell though, my nigga. Like, hold on.
Eyewitness News captured the moment a man gunned...
Oh. But you in the wrong, my boy, because he wasn't showing no real threat, bro. You can't really, you can't pull on somebody just because they huffing and puffing, bro. You gotta have a real life threat.
Down a father and son.
We need love, and not hate.
Community leaders came together to denounce the violence outside the East Flatbush apartment complex.
We're here to simply let the residents and the community members of this Flatbush Gardens community know we stand in unison.
The shooting on Sunday night, the result of a years-long dispute over noise between two neighbors.
Damn, they've been going through it for a year, bro. And why they look so close though? Was that another door? That's a... God damn, bro. What? 5 people staying that low? What, they live in a closet?
Based on our investigation, we found that there were 6 previous 311 calls by the people in 3E, noise complaints.
Authorities say Jason Pass, who lives in a Flatbush Gardens complex, shot 47-year-old Vladimir Maturin and 27-year-old Chinwe Mood after going upstairs to confront the family. At one point, you see Maturin appear to hold a pair of scissors to Pass's neck as his wife tries to...
Okay, hold on. But he should have pulled the gun right then and there. That's when he should have pulled it. Cause you can fight that one.
Pull him away. Seconds later, shots rang out as Maturin heads back to his apartment.
Damn.
I think he was trying to protect his family because his life was being threatened, his family's life was being threatened. But overall, if you look at the video, this man had a gun. He had all intentions to kill.
The suspect's sister, who did not want to be identified, says it was self-defense.
My brother went up there in peace. He's humble. Tried to attack my brother with a scissor.
The men hit us with passion.
Maturin's wife told Eyewitness News yesterday her husband is not a violent man, as the community looks to heal.
We'll be bringing a de-escalation training to the management team.
There's a renewed focus on bringing anti-violence and mental health services to the community. As for the suspect,
Turn yourself in.
and the victim's family told me yesterday they were so scared to continue living in their home knowing that the suspect and his family live just feet away. Councilwoman Farrah Lewis telling me that the victim's family is currently staying in a shelter as building management works to find them a new unit. Meanwhile, a prayer vigil is planned for tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Damn, man. Yo, rest in peace to old boy and his son, man. That's tough. That's tough, bro. That's tough because it's like, you did, but it ain't worth it at the end of the day, man. At the end of the day, man, let's just try to keep peace, keep positivity, man, keep it pushing, bro. Because at the end of the day, bro, we can't take none of this with us. You can't take that apartment with you. You can't take nothing, bro. Nothing. So, that being said, let's being on this earth, let's just try to treat each other right, man. It's your boy 33. You could have been rocking with them, but you came to rock with me, and I appreciate y'all. Next one. My birthday, the 4th, tomorrow. Tap in, huh?